Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 6.3.9 and we're going to find routing table information. So you are working with the SFO router that is connected to two other routers through serial interface. In this lab, your task is to use the show IP route command, then answer the question that follows. The SFO terminal is already up, so let's start up. We're going to type in enter followed by EN and press enter. Then type in show IP route, press enter, and the informations will show up, and we'll go ahead and answer some question. Which network is not directly connected to the SFO router? And the answer to that will be okay. So we need to get more information to help us answer the questions there. Let's check the questions again. Which network is not directly connected to the SFO router? That is going to be 192.168.129.0. The SFO router has a packet to send to host 192.168.127.12. What's the address of the okay? So let's go ahead and get more information. Okay, so the correct answer to this question is going to be 10.10.0.2. And the third question, the SFO router received a packet addressed to host 192.168.130.155 through which interface will SFO send out the packets? So the correct answer to this is going to be fast Ethernet 04/1. And how many hops away is network 192.168.64.0? The correct answer to this is going to be 1. So let's check our answers and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can reach me through my email if you want to. And don't forget to join my professional membership for access to more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next